This table that we see here is a stone. Upper surface of this is white. The sides are blue in color. And the next structure where we have to go is totally white in color. Let's assume out here there is 1/2 an inch of blue line over here, right? So how do we begin? If 10 of us are standing here, हमने उधर जाना है, how do we begin? We measure the gap and then we notice that it is reachable like this. So we can elevate by putting something here and walk across, right? Now let's say that this gap was a little larger. When we put the bully there, it was touching the blue part and therefore we can't directly bridge it. What is the next step? We reduce the gap. Now to reduce the gap, I need to elevate this. यहाँ तो इधर बल्ली रखूंगा, यहाँ तो रस्सी रखूंगा. अब बल्ली रोल कर सकती है, तो what can I keep? Rope. Rope is a better option. So we will put this rope like this over here to elevate this, elevate the plank, ताकि वो blue part को touch ना करे, right? Now when we place this plank like this, right, and we applied pressure on this, तो ये ऊपर जा रहा था ऐसे, right? Then somebody said, इधर खड़े हो जाओ भाई, ऊपर जा रहा है ये तो. मैं इधर खड़े होऊंगा तो will it work? Why won't it work? Because we are standing on the fulcrum only. We have to stand at least this much behind it. Now, the very important point that has emerged is, when you say at least 1/3 plank पीछे होना चाहिए, तो you should not be looking at the size of the plank, but you should be looking at the size of the stone under the plank. Stone under the plank, है ना? अगर ये पत्थर यहां तक होता, the idea would have been possible. But since this stone is now lesser or smaller, तो इस पत्थर को भी बड़ा कैसे करें? सॉरी, इसको बड़ा कैसे करें? बल्ली कैसे लगाओगे? अगर आप ऐसे लगाओगे तो बल्ली नीचे जाएगी, ऐसे लगाओगे तो मैं ऊंचा ही कर रहा हूं, मैं बड़ा तो नहीं कर रहा हूं. मेरे को तो ये बड़ा करना है. बड़ा कैसे करूं?
Sir, keeping belly under the rope.
So it will only give it height. It won't enlarge this size. I want to enlarge the size of the stone. Okay, I'll give you a little hint. I'll give you a hint. Now, if I ask you where is the fulcrum, you will say this is the fulcrum. Now, please understand, this is not the fulcrum. The last line of this is the fulcrum. क्योंकि पिवट किस पे कर रहे हैं? लास्ट लाइन पे कर रहे हैं. तो अगर ये लास्ट लाइन के पीछे मैं देखूं तो इतना सा ही पत्थर है. इसको बड़ा कैसे करूं? Absolutely, absolutely. Fulcrum को छोटा कर दूंगा, अपने आप पत्थर बड़ा हो जाएगा. So rather than putting this full blob of rope here, if I simply put one strand of rope like this, now I have increased the size of the stone, isn't it? So now when I keep this plank like this, it is going to take my weight easily. क्योंकि ये तो काफी है. अभी इतना सा बार भी extended रहेगा तो भी नीचे नहीं जाएगा. And now I can comfortably cross and go over, right?